I got snapped at it, dude, and it's like 6. It was spawned like 6 in the morning.
So coming into today, right? We saw.
Oh shit, my bad. I'm gonna hop out. See you.
Alright, see you, Luke. So coming into today, we saw a Asian range accumulation. We saw London open right here. We opened up, pushed down lower, sweeping out this Asian low right here. So, and we're also trading off this higher time frame 4-hour fair value gap. Price has wicked into on the previous day, and we were trading higher off of that. So when I saw that pre-market, then London started trading higher, I was expecting a near continuation move higher. I think we opened up like right here. So going into market open, yeah, right here. Alright, if I pull this back, so we also swept out previous day high, which was this high right here. We swept up previous day high and we're trading above it, so that's just kind of like showing us we don't want to go short. But market open right here at 9:30 a.m. We wicked down, taking out these lows with the S&T. I didn't take this trade because it was way too close to market open, but I know like this is not really that bad with this market open manipulation. And then we started trading higher off rip into this daily inverse fair value gap. So I was looking out for two things. This daily inverse fair gap we had on the daily time frame. I was looking out for two things. I wanted to see if Tuesday was going to put in the high of the week today, or if we can see Wednesday put in the high of the week with CPI. And that's what I'm looking at right now. I want to see Wednesday come up and reach previous day high for the high of the week with CPI. But at 9:30 a.m. open, yeah, we pushed up and reversed off this. So I was looking at one of two things: either a near continuation higher or a near continuation higher or a near reversal. But I didn't really want to see like a huge near reversal all the way down today, because I wanted to see that move for Wednesday. So I was looking out. I was just being cautious. And then right here we came lower, sweeping this low with S&T, tapping into his 15-minute fair value gap. Right. Why does it do that? Why is like when I go onto the chart, it just resets to where it was right here? So right here we wicked into this 15-minute with S&T, and since the daily profile is a open low high showing a higher time frame power of 3, I was anticipating honestly a buy day higher because we were also trading above that previous day high. So I entered long, like literally off that sweep with S&T right here. We were up a fair bit amount for a minute, and then we got stopped out, and the price ended up just chopping around, and then taking this low again, and then reaching higher. We just chopped in this range for like for an hour. We then put in an S&T at these highs where we started trading lower off of. So at this point, with this S&T, we started trading lower. I was honestly like, I was talking to Sage. We were expecting to see lower. I was just expecting like just accumulation, not much for the rest of the day, and then we ended up dying in the lunch session. And Q ended up sweeping out this London low, or ES did, forming this SMT, and that's what we traded higher off of, back to higher prices. So this is still a buy day. We just had some weird shit going on here. This short wasn't that bad. Looking back, this short off this S&T, not that bad. We also had to hold down, but off the S&T we started trading higher, and then now price is sitting inside this hourly imbalance. We have CPI at 8:30 a.m., which is what I'm going to be looking at, see how we trade off that. But we are in this hourly imbalance. So I think though what's most important is that CPI at 8:30 a.m. See how we trade. If we can wick above previous day high, form a DC model, that'd be nice. I feel like we can catch a nice short tomorrow if we can put in the high of the week with CPI or with today to some new lows. So that's what I'm looking at going into tomorrow. I'm looking at Wednesday high of the week now, because if you look at the weekly open as well, since the weekly open we have on this day, we've just been trading higher, And I feel like price has been setting up for the news to reach lower. Because there's been no manipulation move this whole week. So I'm looking at this as a manipulation. My eyes are drawn towards previous day high right here. This is Friday high. To where we can finally trade lower off of. And if that does happen, we'll catch a nice trade. Nice big trade. I'm about to get myself on that list. So I'm looking at, y'all got any questions, comments, concerns?